Yeah, this is KlymaxERP shop management module. So this can be used for shops, any kind of shop, pharmacy, grocery shop, mother care, baby care, whatever, any kind of shop, anywhere that they sell. KlymaxERP shop model can be used. So these are some of the features. We have dashboard, pro forma, sales, refunds, shop items, purchases, customers, payment, expenditure, references, stock transfer, staff, bank transactions, stock taking, reports, e-commerce, messages, settings, profiles. So the shop management, let me quickly talk about the e-commerce. The e-commerce is just an additional layer where you can create a shop out of your where you can create an e-commerce site or website out of your shop. So these settings allow you to do that. We've included some features in it that will allow you to set up your own website, and then whatever product you have in the shop, the same product will appear on the e-commerce site. So I'll just take you through about 10 minutes or less. So dashboard. So basically the dashboard gives you an overview of whatever that is going on in your shop. As you can see, monthly sales, today's sales, refunds, monthly average sales, payment received, outstanding balances, monthly expenses, and then stock value or stock valuation. That's the total stock you have in your shop. We have daily sales trends, we have sales type trends, so you can see cash sales, credit sales. We have top products, that is products that are top selling. The list is here for you to see. Then hourly sales pattern, so you can do that as well. Then outstanding balances, so everybody that you are owing or is owing you, details are here. Then current transactions, we have some kind of accounting system built into it. You can track your budget, your expenses, your bank list, which will be used in lest I forget, it also has a bonus package of a payroll fully integrated into the software, so you can manage your employee salary and stuff like that. Then we come to stock and sales. Stock and sales, we have shop items. This is where all your items will be listed, or this is where you can add new items, delete, edit, add pictures, whatever. You can add pictures, you can add description for your e-commerce, and we've included some kind of AI that can generate your descriptions for you as well. So this is it. So you can create multiple prices for an item, you can create variations, you can also do multiple barcodes per an item, so it help reduce the stress of stock taking and stuff like that. So this is it. So if I click edit, you see over here you can add pictures, you can add barcode, pricing, and all that media. You can add as many pictures as you want. You can publish this product onto your e-commerce site as well if you want to do that. So we have pro forma, you can create pro formas, you can sell from here, sales, you can do credit sales and all the type of sales, and payment, check, card, momo, you can do all that. Refunds, somebody buys and brings it by, you are able to do refunds. We have inventory management. Purchases is when you bring in new goods, this is where you enter them. We have warehouse stock, it manages multiple warehouse, that is if you have multiple warehouse. Stock transfer helps you transfer stock between your warehouse and your shop. We have branch transfer, if you have branches, even this Climax manages multiple branches as well. So if you have multiple branches, we can set it up for you, so it does that accordingly. Then stock taking, you're able to use it to take stock, you're able to do stock adjustment and all that. And over here we have expiry product, so you're able to track your expiry product as well. So you just have to set it up and that's it. You'll be able to do that. We have a fully functioning payroll that we've added as a bonus to it for you. And then reports, we have so many reports. We have sales report. Look at sales report. We have so many. This is about 8 reports for just sales. 8 reports for just sales. Our itemized sales, sales summary, monthly sales, profit and loss, refunds, sales by quantity, sales by category. We have a lot of reports for you. If it comes to stock management, we have so many of them. We have stock history, we have stock list, price list, stock history, stock replenishment, expiring product, negative stock, stock file, a lot of them. As you can see, we have a lot of them. So we can take a look at it later. And then you can also print barcodes. You can print prices for your shelves. You can analyze your customers, those that are owing you, and those that you are owing, which are your suppliers as well, is also there. We have you can look at payment as well. You're able to customize your own date range and all that. Customers, you see the report we have on them. Shelf prices, you can create your own shelf prices. Let me just give you a preview. So this is the shelf price. You can print and then stick to your shelves, all that. So basically that is it. Basically this is it. Thank you for watching.